How to change language on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. Here, you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on a diverse range of topics. In today's video, I will show you how to change language on Pinterest. For that, open your Pinterest app or the website. This is your homepage. Below, you can see different icons. Here, click on the profile icon at the right side of the screen. Below, you will be guided to this space. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then, click on Settings. Here, you can see different options. Click on the second option that says Account Management. Then, click on the first option, Personal Information. You will reach to this page. Here, you can see the option Language. Click on it, and you will be able to change the language you want. Click on the arrow, and you will see tons of languages here. Select the language that you want, then click on the language you want to change to. After that, your language will be changed. So, this is how you change language in Pinterest. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more self-helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.